festival is amazing!
Stay close to us.
Let's have fun today.
Those seagulls look hungry. They are staring at our food.
Keep your snacks safe.
My sandwich smells great. I want fries!
Eat carefully. Watch the birds.
My sunglasses are gone!
Who took them? Maybe the seagulls.
Probably.
Let's observe carefully.
Do not blame too quickly.
Now someone lost jewelry.
Very strange.
The birds are stealing everything.
We did not steal anything.
We only eat fries.
And burgers.
Wait, they sound honest. Look there!
A pelican.
It took the sunglasses.
Follow it quietly. It stole more things!
The seagulls were innocent.
We told you. We need a plan.
We can help. Mission time! After snacks. This place looks scary.
Very scary.
Stay together.
The cave is near. Be careful.
I hear something. Maybe food? Shh.
The pelican is asleep.
Good.
Can we hurry?
Slowly.
Wow. So many stolen things. Watches, bags, jewelry.
And sunglasses.
I found the mayor's glasses!
Excellent. Take everything carefully.
Hey, Big Bird!
Good distraction.
Run to the beach!
It is chasing us! I cannot fly fast!
This way!
We made it! Everyone okay?
I need snacks now.
Hey, Big Bird!
Good distraction!
Run to the beach! Sorry, leader.
We blamed you.
It is okay.
We are heroes now! The beach looks beautiful.
And peaceful.
A perfect ending.
Sorry, leader. We blamed you.
It is okay. We are heroes now!
Sorry, leader. We blamed you.
It is okay. We are heroes now!
Today taught us something.
Yes.
Do not blame too quickly.
Look carefully first.
Goodbye, friends!
Goodbye!